Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in again and welcome to my channel. My name's Lena. Today I'd like to show you something very pretty. I picked up 3 limited edition makeup items from Dior and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I picked up this mono eyeshadow and Rouge Dior velvet lipstick and also Rouge Dior blush. And the eyeshadow and lipstick colors, they are existing shades, but they have this really special, beautiful embossings that looks like the signature, label or ribbons, the Dior signature thing. It's really beautiful, and then the details that went into it's incredible. They are like slightly more expensive. I think it was like a $2 more, but in this case, I think it was okay. It's quite worth it. And I'm not so sure about this blush. I mean, the motif, the flower. Its name is number 361 Millefiori, meaning thousands of flowers. But when I previewed this blush on Instagram, a friend in Korea reached out to me and asked me a question. Is that the same color that I have? I also have Rouge Dior blush number 361, but its name is Rose Baiser, meaning rose kiss. And because I don't own that shade is not available in the US. It's available in the UK. I saw it on selfridges.com, and obviously it's in the Asian market. So I looked up some swatches and they look quite similar. So I don't know, but it's very possible that it's the same shade, but because this shade is not available in the US and this has really distinct, beautiful embossings going on. You can see this embossing in Dior scarves or dresses or something like that. It's quite beautiful. But anyway, I didn't have any of these shades in my collection, so I am not mad about, having to pay a couple more bucks for this extra beauties. So what I'm gonna do is show the products close up and show some swatches and create a simple look using these 3 items. So that's the video for today, and if you're interested, please keep on watching. I hope you enjoy the swatches and find them helpful. I have to say, it pained me quite a bit swatching them because the embossings are so beautiful to touch. What a sacrilege, right? But I did it for you. But I'm only half joking because I never buy makeups just to look at them. I think all makeups should be, swatched, worn, and loved, and that's what I'm gonna do. And now I am going to show you a simple makeup demo how I create this look, mainly using these 3 items. I already have my base makeup and eyebrows done, so let's get started with the eyeshadow. I think it's going to be quite a challenge because I am only going to use this mono eyeshadow and see if I can create some dimensional look, but also because the embossings are so pretty. I did swatch it, but the embossings are pretty much intact, so it's going to pain me a little bit going into the pan, but I'm gonna be brave and just do it. So what I'm gonna do is using this very fluffy light crease blending brush and then lay the color very softly all over my lids. This is very soft, but not too soft. There's no powder kick up. It's almost like a half-baked texture. I like that. It's a beautiful shade with subtle satiny finish. doesn't accentuate the texture, whatever the crepiness that I have on my lids. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Bring it upward. It does remind me of a beautiful silk dress. Next, I'm going to use this small packer brush and dip into the pen again, but this time try to pack the color a little bit more on the brush. Yes, it's not very hard to pick up some more color depending on the brush you're gonna use. So I'm gonna concentrate the color along my lash lines and deepen the fold, the small lid space that I have. Otherwise, I would look very sleepy. So I think the way I do makeup is quite different from the method that are popular, Eurocentric methods. I've tried those too, and some works, but mostly just makes me look sleepy. Well, I'm really liking this shade. I might need a little bit darker shade, but this could be easily one and done shade for many people. Doing the same thing over here. Alright, not bad. Next, I'm going to use the same brush and then, apply some more and then blend some more and then create this hazy, soft look. Bring it upward even more. Because with this color, you can certainly do this. It doesn't look too much. And I love this slight peachy pink shift. And it's not overly too warm. I think it's a universally flattering shade. Yes, I would say you could definitely control the color intensity with this one. That's very nice. Next, I'm gonna simply line my eyes and add some mascara, and we'll be back. And this time I like to use a navy eyeliner to add something. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's apply some blush here. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. And I'm going to use my Sonia G Chic Pro brush and dip into the color. It's not as soft as the other Dior Rouge blushes that I have, but it's quite pigmented, so it's on the cool side, but not overly so either. I think it's gonna go with many different eyeshadows or lip colors, just like throw on. And you have a little bit of pinkiness on your cheeks. It has a beautiful satiny finish and I'm very happy about it because all my other Dior blushes, except for the Backstage one, it's quite shimmery. Oh, I really like the color. Okay, now let's apply the lipstick. Here we go. Oh, it feels amazing on the lips. Wow. According to the color description, Dior says Icone is an intense rosewood, but on my lips it almost looks like a dark red. So here's what I'm gonna do. I usually miss the lip lines a little bit and then kind of blot the color away and then smooth it one more time. That way it doesn't look too aging. So using this Q-tip, just soften the lip lines and blot it a little bit and use my finger. Yeah, that's how I like it. Okay. So this is the finished look, and I think I really like it. I mean, I knew these three items would go beautifully together, but the finished look is better than I anticipated. It's very simple and elegant and fall appropriate, and I'm very impressed with how the lipstick feels on my lips, because I have to think twice, you know, when I wear a matte lipstick, because number one, they don't look always flattering on me, and they could feel quite drying on the lips, but this is quite alright, and the color is actually better than I expected. I really like it. So let me know what do you think about these beautiful limited items with, you know, gorgeous embossings. I mean, it was so worthwhile for me to have these items because I didn't have these colors in my collection before, but I don't know how you would feel if you already have them in your collection. I mean, is it worth getting the same colors just because they have beautiful embossings? I would love to know. So that's the video for today. I really appreciate that you're staying with me watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.